Hi guys, I'm Damon. Welcome back to We Did Something. Today we're going to switch things up, and instead of working on the camper, we're going to work on my wife's 2017 Dodge Journey GT and replace the battery in it, which is situated in a weird location. First, I'll have to remove the front left wheel and the fender well, as the battery is situated right behind the bumper here. So let me get the wheel removed and get it raised up, and we'll kind of go from there. Stay tuned. Now that I got the wheel off, I gotta get this inner fender well out. So you have a few pins here that you gotta remove, and with the correct tool, it makes it a little bit easier. Usually, good lord, like so. So I'll continue removing these, and then I will be right back. Now let me move you here. As you can see, the battery is right there, which looks interesting. First, I want to remove this hold down bolt and the nuts up here, which is a 13 millimeter, and it's somewhat rusted. So I do have to spray some penetrating oil onto it. Hopefully it'll free it up, which don't work. All right, let's try this again, shall we? We'll give that time to set, and then we'll try it again. Oh, this is going to be fun. I'll return when it's out. And unfortunately, you don't want to do what I did. I broke the bolt going up for the hold down bracket. And there it is. So I'll have to get me a new one of these once I get the battery installed. We'll also have to remove the sensor wire, which is relatively easy. Just pull this pan and it just pulls right out. The rest of these I need to get, oh, where is it? This bolt here, which is a 10 mil, and also the one for the positive side. So I'll go ahead and loosen those up and get those terminals off of there. There's a negative. See if I can't get that out of the way somewhere. And let's get this positive one off here. Oh, come on off here. There we go. Now the battery should just come right out of there. Let me scoot you back here and we'll see what happens. Oh, no, that wasn't too difficult. As I struggle. Get you out of there. Oh, I thought you were off there. You're not off there. There we go. There we go. That took some work. Now to get these terminals hooked up, start with the positive, then we'll do the negative. Let's see if I'm sorry, I know you guys can't see nothing. Let's see if I can't get you a better view here. All right, we'll see what happens here. I think this is the worst possible place for a battery. All right, now let's get the negative one in there. I'm hoping that you guys can see. All right, there's the sensor wire. Get that out of the way. I'm sorry, guys. Let me get this on there, and I'll be right back. All right, now that the terminals are connected, we'll go ahead and just hook the sensor back up. Just a matter of getting my glasses situated, push it in, and lock the pin. Should be good to go. Now, all I need to do is get a new support bracket and get that installed. I shall return. All right, before I get too carried away and go get a bracket, well, make sure she starts. Oh. Hey. Well, that's a plus. All right, I will return once I get the new bracket. Well, Dodge didn't have the hold down bolt for the battery bracket, so I had to go to Menards and I just bought a 5/16 threaded bolt and just bent it in place. So this will work. There, that ain't going nowhere. All right, there's that. Now to put the rest of the thing, whoops, sorry. Now put the rest of the thing back together. All right, let's get this wheel back on. So, let's move you over here. Good enough. Awesome. All right, guys, I think this is all set. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you found this useful. Thank you very much.
Hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.
We'll see you next time. Bye, Tracy.